Welcome to my class, dear learners. How are you? I think you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also fine. Dear learners, at this moment you are staying at home. Now we are facing a critical moment. Now, dear learners, you know that we are facing a serious epidemic called COVID 19. In this time, it has taken away many lives. In this time, it has taken an epidemic form. You know that every day it has taken away many lives. So, first, I advise you to stay home, stay safe, use mask, use sanitizer, and maintain social distance in order to save yourselves from this disease. Dear learners, today I am here to take an English class. This class has been specially designed for the students of class 9 and 10. This is a very important class. In this class, I will discuss some important rules on filling in the gaps. Dear learners, at first, I would like to thank all of the viewers, all of the honorable teachers, all of the respected guardians who are watching this video. Dear learners, now enjoy the class. At first, I would like to present some slides before you. I earnestly request you to open your exercise books, bring a pen so that you can take notes whenever necessary. Now, let's enjoy the class. Please follow me carefully, and I earnestly request you to listen my class very carefully. At first, I would like to introduce myself. This is Himanshu Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English of Port Secondary School, Khalishpur, Khulna. There dash a mosque. There dash a mosque. Dash a mosque in our village. There is a mosque in our village. Here is used in the blank or gaps. Here you can notice a picture of a pond, big pond. There are dash two ponds in our village. There are two ponds in our village. Our today's class is on fill in the blanks English second paper class 9 and 10. Learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, the students will be able to describe the rules of filling the gaps. Rule number, I will discuss some rules. That is rule number 1. Please take notes. And these rules are very important for your exam. To understand the filling in the gaps, these rules may be very useful to you. So, Follow my lecture very carefully and attentively. Rule number 1. There is, there plus is oblique was oblique has plus singular verb singular subject. There plus are oblique were oblique have plus plural subject. Example: there were two friends in a village. Rule number 2. Is or every plus is or was or has plus singular subject. Example: is boy and is girl dash present there. Is, now look at the answer and notice the answer. Is boy and is girl was present there. I will show you another example. Every boy and girl dash been given 500 taka. You can notice that here was is a singular verb. Every boy and girl has been given 500 taka. Here you can also notice that has is a singular verb. Rule number 3. Somebody or someone or some boys plus have or has plus past participle of verb. Such as someone dash stolen the pen. Someone has stolen the pen. Here you can notice the structure of someone plus has plus pp of verb, that is stolen. So in this gap we have to use has. Next example: some boys have failed in the examination. Here has is a singular verb. Some boys have failed in the examination. Here have is a plural verb. Here have is a plural verb and has is a singular verb. Now I will move to another rule, that is rule number 4. Any, none, is, every, either, neither, one plus singular verb. One of the boys dash present there. One of the boys is present there. None of them dash present there. None of them was present there. Either of them or either of them dash stolen it. Either or either of them has stolen it. Rule number 5. Population, public, crowd, army, congress, committee, team, government, family, pair, dozen, scenery, knowledge, 100, 1000, furniture, machinery, information, bread, money, advice, poetry, gallows, ethics, mathematics, physics, news, electronics, dynamics, 2 or 3 dollars, 2 or 3 miles, etc. plus singular verb. And examples: ill news dash fast, ill news runs fast. Physics dash a critical subject, physics is a critical subject. Here is a singular verb and runs is a singular verb. For your kind information, I want to add here that if the subject of a sentence is third person singular number, then we have to use s or es after a verb, and you have to use s or es after a verb. Rule number 6: people, spectacles, trousers, scissors, branches, clothes, goods, headquarters, vegetables, lodge, police, cattle, folk, circumstances, gentry, plus plural verb. Now I will give some examples. His circumstances dash not good, his circumstances are not good. Here are is a verb of plural form. People dash the same food, people do not eat the same food. Vegetables dash vitamin, vegetables contain vitamins. Rule number 7: feel, love, hear, like, hate, see, forget, consist, seem, should, smell, believe, know, wish, doubt, prefer, imagine, fear, taste, astonish, please, understand, etc. They are used in present indefinite tense, not in continuous tense. Now I will give some examples, and they are: I dash the bird, I see the bird, I dash news, I hear news, I dash everything, I forget everything. I will move to another rule, that is rule number 8: prefer to plus verb. That structure is prefer to plus verb plus ing. Torikul. Now I will show the examples, such as Torikul prefers to dash newspapers. Torikul prefers to reading newspaper. Here I have used reading. The main verb of reading is read, and I have added ing after this read verb. Journal prefers to dash betel. Journal prefers to eating betel. Rule number 9: if in the sentence there is for or since plus time, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense, such as the boys within bracket fly kites since morning, and answer will be the boys have been flying kites since morning. Rule number 10: if in the sentence there is recently, already, just now, lately, the sentence will be present perfect tense, such as they already within bracket leave the place. Here you can notice a word that is already, so you have to rewrite the sentence in present perfect tense. So the answer is they have already left the place. The structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus past participle of verb plus extension. Now I will give you homework, and it is time to give you a homework. Homework number 1, fill in the blanks. I will give you 5 sentences here. Homework number 1. Number 1, there are dash 9 mosques in our village. Number 2, someone dash spread corona in our country. Number 3, one of the women dash corona positive first. Number 4, public dash not our in our country. Number 5, the circumstances dash not in our control. Homework number 2. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Vegetables dash vitamins. Number 2, it is corona that dash many lives. Number 3, she prefers to dash novels. Number 4, I dash a blue bird. Number 5, 100 years dash a long time. Dear learners, I have already taken a lot of time. It is time to finish our today's class. Dear learners, due to dear learners, you know that due to worldwide corona pandemic, we all are passing our days with great concern. I suggest you to stay at home with 100% cleanliness of the surroundings and pass your time studying books. Don't go outside without wearing any mask. Use your mask, use sanitizer, stay home and maintain social distance in order to save yourselves from this disease. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.